Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
There's something truly timeless about a photograph. A single frame that freezes a feeling, a place, or a memory that words could never quite capture. The Panasonic LUMIX ZS99 is built for exactly that purpose, to help you tell your story wherever life takes you. This isn't just a compact camera. It's your creative travel companion, your everyday storyteller, and your pocket-sized powerhouse for capturing life exactly as you see it. Now let's start with what makes it stand out. The first thing you'll notice about the LUMIX ZS99 is its elegant, compact body. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or travel pouch, yet inside it holds some serious technology. The LEICA DC Vario Elmar lens stretches from a wide 24mm all the way to an incredible 720mm, giving you 30x optical zoom. That kind of range in such a small body is impressive. You can go from wide, cinematic landscapes to close-up details of architecture or wildlife without ever switching lenses. Imagine standing on a mountain viewpoint, framing a wide scenic shot of the valley below, and then zooming all the way in to capture the details of a distant waterfall. Every pixel stays sharp, every color feels true. That's the beauty of the ZS99. It lets you focus on the experience instead of fumbling with gear. Under the hood, the ZS99 carries a 20.3 megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor paired with the Venus Engine image processor, Panasonic's secret sauce for color and clarity. This combo ensures you get vibrant, noise-free images even in tricky lighting situations. Whether it's the golden hour glow, a bustling night market, or a cozy cafe corner, your photos stay crisp and full of life. And it's not just about stills. This camera brings video to another level with 4K recording at 30 frames per second. You can film travel vlogs, capture street performances, or even create cinematic travel diaries that look stunning on any screen. Plus, there's a 4K photo mode that lets you extract still frames from your 4K videos. So even fleeting moments like a bird taking flight or a child's laughter never get missed. Now, if you're someone who loves to experiment, this camera gives you creative freedom too. You can shoot time-lapse, high-speed video at 120 frames per second, and even manual modes where you can adjust aperture, shutter speed, and ISO just the way you like. It's the perfect balance of simplicity and control. The design is what makes it so easy to use. The 840K tiltable touchscreen can flip upward, perfect for vlogging, selfies, or overhead shots in crowded places. You can touch to focus, adjust exposure, and review photos instantly. Every part of the interface feels responsive and intuitive, which is exactly what you need when you're traveling and the perfect shot appears out of nowhere. Connectivity is another huge win. With Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi, transferring your photos and videos to your smartphone is as easy as tapping a button. You can post your adventures to Instagram or send them to friends instantly. No cables, no hassle. And thanks to USB Type-C charging, you can recharge this camera using the same charger as your laptop or phone. For travelers, that's a game changer. Now, let's talk about the experience of using it. When you pick it up, it feels balanced and comfortable. The textured grip gives you confidence, even when shooting one-handed. The controls are well-placed, not cluttered, not confusing. You can go fully automatic when you just want to capture the moment, or switch to manual mode when you want full creative control. Imagine being at a concert. The lights dim, the crowd cheers, and the stage bursts into color. With the LUMIX ZS99, you can zoom in on the performer's expression and capture every detail. The lighting, the atmosphere, the emotion, without worrying about blur. The optical image stabilization keeps your shots steady, even when zoomed in or shooting handheld. Or think of those spontaneous travel moments. A child running through a fountain, a street artist mid-performance, a sunset that only lasts for seconds. The LUMIX ZS99 helps you catch those exact moments, sharp and vivid. And yet, for all its power, it never feels complicated. It's light, portable, and always ready. You don't need to carry multiple lenses or tripods. Just this one compact camera that does it all. It's the perfect tool for travel, family trips, outdoor adventures, or even just everyday life. There's something satisfying about knowing that whatever happens, wherever you go, you have a camera that's ready for anything. You can hike through mountains, explore city streets, or capture the laughter of friends by the beach, and the ZS99 keeps up effortlessly. What really makes this camera special is how it bridges the gap between professional capability and simple enjoyment. It's for people who care about quality, but don't want to overthink every setting. It's for travelers who want their memories to look as breathtaking as they felt. It's for creators who want a camera that's compact enough to bring everywhere, yet powerful enough to deliver results that truly impress. The Panasonic LUMIX ZS99 isn't trying to replace a DSLR. It's designed to give you the power of one without the weight. It's freedom in your hand, the kind that lets you explore, create, and remember every journey exactly the way it deserves to be remembered. If you'd like to check out the Panasonic LUMIX ZS99 yourself, the link's down below. Bring one on your next trip and see how it transforms the way you capture the world. The memories you'll create will be sharper, brighter, and more beautiful than ever before.